What is significant figures? Significant figures, the first significant figures is the first non-zero digit from the number. So in here, if we have the 450, you have to check from the very first digit. Is it 0? The very first digit is not 0. That's why the number 4 is significant. The 5 is significant. The 0 at the back, it will be optional. Sometimes it is significant, sometimes not significant. Now, if we have another number in here, 0.008402. Remember, the first significant figures is always the first non-zero digit. This is start from the 0, so this is not significant. This is still 0, so not significant. This is still 0, so not significant. The first significant digit is 8. The second significant digit is 4. The third significant digit is 0. The fourth significant digit is 2. Before I move to how do we round off the number to the given significant figures, is there anyone who still get confused to recognize which digit that is significant, which digit that is not significant? Is there anyone who get confused still? Hello? No? Please let me know if, yeah, okay. So you already clear to clarify which digit that is significant. After you know which digit that is significant, later you can round off the number to the given significant figures. So in the question 2, we have 135. It says we have to round off the number correct to one significant figures. So the first step that we have to do is finding the first significant digit. The first significant digit is the first non-zero digit. So the 1 in here is the first significant digit. To the right of 1, we have number 3. Remember the rule before, if the right number of the chosen digit is less than 5, the chosen digit will be stay at it is. That's why the 1, it will be stay as 1. But remember, we have to make the value of the number consistent. 135 is a 100 number. If we only write it as 1, it will not be a 100 number. That's why we have to put another 0 in here. That's why the answer will be 100. For the question B, you do the same thing. We have to find the second significant digit. The second significant digit is 5. Next to 5 is 6. That's why the number 5 in here, we have to go up by 1. So in here, it will be 46. But if I only write 46, it will not be go back to the original value. That's why we have to write it 46,000. And then in here, we have, for the C, we have 18.654. It says 3 significant figures. So we need to find the third significant digit. The third significant digit is number 6. Next to 6 is 5. So the 6 have to go up by 1. Become 18.7. When it is decimal, do not put 0 behind. Because if you put 0 behind, the 0 behind will be counted as significant figures. But the question only asking in 3 significant figures. That's why you only write it as 18.7. Different when it is a whole number, the 0 behind sometimes counted as significant, sometimes not counted as significant figures. That's why for 135, if we run off into the one significant figures, the answer will be 100, not 1. So far, is there anyone who still confused until question C? So far? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, yes? Is there anyone who wants to tell me anything before I heard any sound? No? Okay. If you have no question, okay. I will move to the question D. For the question D, we have 0.0931. Remember, the first significant figures is the first non-zero digit. So, the first significant figures is 9, not 0. We have to round off the number correct to one significant figures. So, we check the 9. Next to 9 is 3. So, it means the 9 will stay as it is. Remember, we have to make the value of the number consistent. That's why we cannot write the answer only 9. We have to write it 0.09. That's it. For the question E, we have 0.7872. Correct to two significant figures. So we need to find the second significant digit. The first significant figures is the first non-zero digit. So 7 is the first significant figures. 8 is the second significant figures. Next to 8 will be is 7. That's why the 8 have to go up by 1. Become 0.79. For the question F, we have to round off the number correct to the three significant figures. If it is three significant figures, so the first significant digit.
Sure.
Yes, what happened, Ken?
Why is there a gray square?
No, there is no gray square. Is there any gray square in your side?
Yeah, it's.
But in my side, there is no gray square. How about the others? Is there anyone having a gray square or anything?
No, teacher, there's no gray square at all.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
clear,
okay.
everything, nothing is
I
hidden.
think there is a problem with your internet connection, Ken.
Is there a gray square before? I think I'm
No,
lagging.
because I do not open any other app, so it's not. It's supposed to be not having any gray square. Okay, if you want to wait.
Teacher, why is it
Jovan, okay.
significant
Jovan, the
figures?
teachers only ask you to show your face fully. Do not, I mean, like sometimes I only can see your forehead. I cannot see your face fully. The teachers want to see your face fully. The teachers want to see your expression. So the teachers can be sure if you are still joining the class, not having a daydreaming or not doing anything else. Because if the teacher only see the forehead, the teacher will not be able to check if you are still enjoying the class or maybe you do something else. The teachers your camera is on, only the teachers cannot see your face completely. So maybe you can put your camera a bit down or something like that, so your face can be seen fully. Yeah, I know you already open your camera, I know, but it's just not I just sometimes I just cannot see your face fully. Now I can see your face fully, so it's okay. You don't have to rejoin, because later if you rejoin, you join your my voice still clear, right? Okay, so no need to rejoin. If you rejoin and then later join, you will be losing sometimes when you leave the class. Maybe you will be missing some explanation. That's why I don't think you need to rejoin. It's still fine. I think it's still fine. Okay. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. Uh. Yeah. Okay. Now can I continue, or is there anyone who are still getting confused? Okay, I will continue. Before I already at the question F. At the question F in here we have we have to run off the number correct to three significant figures. If we have to run off the number correct to three significant figures, means we have to find the third significant digit. The first significant digit is the non-zero one. So 1 is significant, 4 is significant, 0 in here is also significant. 0 in the front when it is decimal are not significant. But when it is 0 in between or 0 behind, especially at the decimal place, the 0 are significant. Which zero that is not significant? Only when it is decimal. So like I have the number 603. So the first zero in the front are not counted as significant. The 6 is significant, the 0 next to 6 is significant, the 3 is significant. So it means this number having 3 significant figures. If I have 603, this is all of the digits are significant. So this is will be 3 significant figures still. If you say 0.7, I told you the first significant digit is the first non-zero digit. So the 0 is not significant. The 7 is significant. This is will be one significant figures. If I have 0.70, the 0 in the front are not significant because the rule to find the first significant digit is the first non-zero digit. So the first significant figure start from 7. The 0 behind is also significant. So if I have 0.70, it will be two significant figures. Is it helping, or is there anyone who's still getting confused to classify which number that is significant or which number that is not significant? Can you please make your question more clear, because I do not understand? Maybe you can unmute yourself and tell me. If we find number 0 for significant digit between two significant digits, wait, like in here we have 1.409, the 0 is in between 4 and 9. The 0 is significant. Where the 0, only the 0 in front that is not significant. Only these are not significant. This is not significant. The 0 in between two number is always significant. Okay. Can you tell me which part that making you confused? Recognizing which digit that is significant, or how we round off the number to the correct significant digit, to the given significant figures? Which can you tell me which part? Because the clue to round off the number to the given significant figures is you have to be able to classify which digit that is significant. After you are able to classify which digit that is significant, round off the number to the given significant figures will be the same thing as you round off the number to the correct to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, or to the nearest two decimal place. The rule will be the same. But in here we have an additional rule, which is you have to find which digit that is significant. That's it. So for the question F, we have you have to keep in your mind the first significant digit is the first non-zero digit. That is. So the question F, we have 1.40948. So it means the number is start by number 1. So because this number is not starting by any zero number, so it means the number 1 is significant. Next to number 1 is 4. The 4 is also significant. The 0 is also significant. 9 is significant. 4 is significant. 8 is also significant. So later, if we want to round off the number correct to 3 significant figures, you have to find the third significant digit. So the 1 is the first significant digit. 4 is the second significant digit. 0 is the third significant digit. So we check the next number after 0. Next number after 0 is 9. So it means the 0 have to go up by 1. Because when the number right to the chosen digit is 5 or bigger, the chosen digit have to be increased by 1. That's why the final answer for the question 2F, it will be 1.41. Okay, Is there anyone who's still confused? Can you tell me which letter that is still confusing? So maybe I can repeat again which part that making you confused. Do not only tell me, teacher, I'm confused, because it will be making me confused also which part that I have to explain. Can you tell me which one that I have to re-explain again? Or is there anything still confusing? Maybe I'll talk too fast or anything, you can tell me. Is there anything that I need to repeat? Everything's fine? Okay. Okay, I will move to the question 3. For the question 3, we have the number. We have to run off the number to the given significant figures. In here, we have 4,509.0298. We have to run off to the nearest 3 significant figures. So the clue, we have to find the third significant digit. Before we find the third significant digit, we have to find the first significant digit first. The first significant digit is always the first non-zero digit. You have to check the number. The number is start from number 4. So it means the 4 is significant, 5 is significant, all the numbers are significant. So in here, because the question is asking correct to 3 significant figures, we have to find the third significant figure. The third significant digit is 0. Okay, is there anyone who get confused or disagree if I say the third significant digit on the question 3 is 0? Is there anyone who disagree or getting confused? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, you have to check. The right number next to the chosen digit is 9. So it means the 0 have to go up by 1. So 0 go up by 1, it will be 1. So it will be 451. But make sure we have to make the value of the number consistent. If we only write it as 451, the value will be different. Why? Because the question is 4,509. That's why we have to put 0 in here. So the number will be having the same value in thousand. Is there anyone having any questions still, or maybe my explanation is still too fast? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, let us move to the question B. It says we have to run off the number correct to 1 significant figures. So we need to find the first significant digit. The first significant digit is number 4. So we use the 4 and then we have to check the right number next to 4. Next to 4 is 5. So it means the 4 have to go up by 1. 4 go up by 1, it will be 5. But the answer will not be only 5. But how many? The answer is not only 5, but how many? You have to make sure the number will be, it will be 5,000. Because the question is the number is given in the thousand. So you have to make sure the value will be the same. The value is consistent. That's why it will be 5,000. Is there anyone having any questions still? Is there anyone? No? Okay. Now I just want to check if you really understand or not. Maybe for the question C. Anyone can tell me what is the answer in the question C?
4,509.0.
4,509 point how many? 0.
0.
Yes. Okay. The 0 in here is significant. That's why we still have to put 0. So in total, it will be having 5 significant figures or 5 significant digits. Is there anyone having any question? No? Okay. Now move to the question D. Okay, Kenneth Messi, be back soon. For the question D, we have to run off the number correct to the 4 significant figures. So how many it will be if we run off the number correct to 4 significant figures? Anyone can try to answer? How many it will be? Yeah, it will be 4,509. Thank you. I read through the chat box. Some of you already answered it correctly. But if you have any questions still, please let me know. For the question E, what number it will be if we round off the number correct to two significant figures? Yes, it will be 4,500, correct? For the question F, if we round off the number correct to 7 significant figures, so what number it will be?
4,509.030.
4,509.030. Yeah, correct. Yes, I can read your chat. I can read the chat from everyone. What happened, Ken?
Oh, I'm a bit lagging, I think.
Okay. How about is my voice also not audible for you? No? Okay. Is there anyone having any questions still before I move to the question 4? No? Okay. Let me know if any one of you are still confused with rounding off the number to the given significant figures. The clue is you have to be able to recognize which digit is the first significant figures. Later, it will be easy for you to round off the number because the step is the same thing as how you round off the number correct to the given decimal places. For the question 4, this is MCQ question. So for the question 4A, the answer is A, B, C, or D. Anyone who already tried to do it at home?
D.
Yeah, it will be D. Is there anyone who get confused? Why is it D? The first significant figure. Yeah.
It's 1 be rounded to 3, but if it cannot be only 3, it must be in the same amount, so it is 3,000.
Okay, good job. For the question B, is it A, B, C, D? Yeah. How many? A, which letter is it? Yeah, the answer is C. Is there anyone who get confused? Why is it C? Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, I will move to the question C. We have this number 0.0082 round off to the correct two significant figures. Is there any answer in here? Maybe I make a typo in here. Sorry. It's supposed to be number 2, but I type it. Yeah. I make the question wrong. Sorry. Yeah.
That's why it sounds so impossible, teacher.
Yeah. Yeah, I type it in a wrong way. Sorry, it's supposed to be 0.082. Yeah.
That's
I
why
make a
I
typo.
teacher.
Yeah, okay. So the correct answer is supposed to be B because this number is already given to two significant figures. So later if we round off the number correct to two significant figures, the number will be stay the same. Is there anyone having any question or still getting confused? Sorry for the typo. Is there anyone who get confused still? No? Okay. If you have no question, I will move to the question D. For the question D, we have this number and we have to round off correct to 4 significant figures. So which letter it will be? The answer A, B, C, or D? Which one is the answer? Oh my God. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you, Kalista, for telling me. Yeah. In here, I also still make a typo. Yeah. It's supposed to be 0.0082. Thank you, Kalista. Yeah. Sorry for so many typo that I make. Yeah. Okay. Is there anyone else that is still getting confused? Maybe I still make typo or anything. You can always tell me because I'm a human too. Maybe I can. Sometimes I do make mistakes. So please let me know if maybe I make a typo or anything that is that makes you confused still.
Teacher, I think for
Yes.
D it's supposed to be 3.081. I think.
For the D, we have to round off the number correct to 4 significant figures. So let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's supposed to be 3.081. Yeah, okay then.
Which
Thank
one should we
you.
choose? The A or the B?
No, yeah. Let me,
The A.
yeah. Let me put in a A, yeah. So the A, it has to be 3.0 point, 3 point 081. This is the correct answer, yeah. Sorry for so many typo that I made. Okay, is there anyone who have confusion still? Or maybe my questions making you more confused? Hello? Is there anyone who get confused still? Yes, the answer for the question D correct. It's supposed to be 3.081. Thank you for telling me. Later I will try to edit the file first before I give it to you. Because later I will also attach the question for checkpoint. So later along with this file, I already attached some question for the no need to submit for this one. Yesterday I already give you a PowerPoint, which one that have to be your homework. Some question from the workbook and also one slide from the yesterday's PowerPoint will be your homework. For this one, no need to submit because we already discussed it. No need to submit. I believe that all of you will pay attention. All of you will copy the answer. So please, yeah, no need to submit. For the question 5, can I continue or is there anyone who still get confused at question 4? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, I will move to the question 5. At a full ball match, there were 63,475 supporter and also 32,486 Arsenal supporter. We have to find how many supporters were there altogether. So in here we have to plus them all. We have to plus 63,475 with 32,486. Is there anyone who already tried to plus them?
95,961.
961. And then now read the question again. Give your answer correct to two significant figures. So it means you have to round off the number again, correct to two significant figures. So we need to find the second significant digit. The second significant digit is 5. Next to 5 is 9. So it means the 5 will go up by 1. So it
You mean
will
it's
be
96,000.
yeah, 96,000. Is there anyone having any confusion? Or maybe my explanation is still confusing? No? Okay. For
No,
sure,
teacher.
because I don't think it will be having enough time if I continue to the another subchapter.
Book and homework.
Okay, I will not giving you so many homework. This is just optional. If possible, please kindly try to do with the slide is yeah. This is the slide that I want you to try to do. Just yeah, please kindly try to do. You are not able, do not just calculator. Please show all the calculation later if it is already checkpoint. It will be better if you show all the question, all the steps through the paper. So later you can check by yourself the question and also the marks. Usually for the checkpoint, for one paper, for maths there will be two paper, paper 1 and also paper 2. Paper 1 you cannot use calculator, paper 2 you can use calculator. Each paper will be having 50 marks and also you will be having 1 hour to finish it. But now I will just, yeah. For now, I will just give you some question. It will be having like 45 marks only, not exactly 50 marks. So at home, maybe you can try to do it and try to put a timer for yourself. Will you be able to finish it in a 1 hour or not? This is all the question. I already check it. All the question are the material from the book 7. So I think you will be able to finish it. This is paper 1, so you cannot use calculator. Paper 2, you can use calculator. This is paper 1, so no calculator. If paper 2, maybe if tomorrow we can finish. Sorry?
Which paper are you gonna give to us?
Paper
The
1,
number.
paper 1. Paper 1. I'll give you paper 1 first. If you're already done with the paper 1, for the next time I will give you paper 2. Like that.
Should
Paper
we
1
submit
finish.
this or just
Sorry?
for practice?
Yeah, for practice only, not for the test. Just for
Just give it
practice. Yeah.
practice extra.
Yeah, for practice. Please kindly try to do it at home. And then maybe you can try to check it by check the timer for yourself.